So this is the PowerPoint presentation I have completed for the Creative Commons exercise on the Beyond the Classroom page. So like the purpose of this assignment was not to show somebody what is Creative Commons, but for the student, for us, it was to see if we can create a PowerPoint presentations with simple animations and transitions and the notes provided, as well as inserting pictures and the notes at the bottom, as you can see right here, if I could get this. So yeah, and from what I've learned from chapter 1 was the basics of putting in. I never used PowerPoint at work before, probably been like once, and I've learned about PowerPoint years ago when I was in this program. But from what I learned from chapter 1 was mainly the basic stuff, as in putting in a design. I didn't know that it changes the font and everything else, basically the whole theme. And in my second slide, I insert this picture here so that it can so that it can come out as an animation, as you can see is in the bullets too, and the heading of the slide. What else did I learn? I also learned how to I didn't know about the layouts of the slide. In slide 4, I used the comparison, no, the two content layout, because I had the picture in this side, and then on the left side I had the meaning of each of the rights of the licenses on the right side. And I also put some animations in there too. And I have the transitions. I also learned how to put transitions in the slide. Well, that was I guess common sense, since it has its own tab. But I didn't know that you could add it individually. So I could have a different translation from 1 to 2, and then from 3 to 4, and so on. And question number 3 is specific features that you learned in chapter 1 that you did not know before you took the courses. Basically almost everything. Because again, I don't use PowerPoint at work, but I will be using it in the future when I start working on your projects. But yeah, chapter 1 was pretty good. It was pretty informational. I learned a lot of the basics. And